So hello everyone, welcome back to my workshop. It's been a while, I haven't been here and there's quite a good reason for that. As you see, this is a totally new back set. I have rebuilt once again my workshop since January. It's actually just starting to come together a little bit more, and the vision of my workshop is becoming more and more the reality. By the way, hi, I'm Egya. I'm a hat maker in France, and I make hats that make heads turn. So today I'll show you how I make my in-house leather sweatbands for my fur felt hats. How I start with a piece of leather, then how I work it into curved leather straps like this, and then how I end up with a real leather sweatband, a reeded one. So come with me.
I choose leather that is suitable for sweatbands. As the leather is in direct contact with the skin, it's really important to use vegetal tanned leather. Any other leather dyes have high risk of causing allergy and rashes. The first mission is to dispatch the placement of leather straps in a way to optimize the usage of the leather piece. The leather leftovers will go into the adornments of the hats. I use this curved cardboard stencil to mark the cutting lines. Actually, I needed to prepare sweatband stock for the next month. As time goes and my hat company is growing rapidly, I have lately taken the decision to move away from the wool felt option and stick with the rabbit and beaver options only, along with the straw hats, of course. Wool felt is the most affordable option for fedora hats. When placing an order, my customers have to choose between a wool and a fur felt option for literally any hat design on my web shop. And wool is very often the option. And I recognize myself in my customer's choice. I'm the first one to go for 7 different dresses in all possible colors, rather than getting only one high quality and high-end dress in only one colorway. And so, I've been overwhelmed with incoming orders for the last 6 months, to the point that I was not really enjoying getting up in the morning and going to workshop in the mornings. I was living, breathing and sneezing hats. My inbox was constantly full, and I had hard time keeping up with emails and messages. So, friends, for the sake of my sanity and to avoid burnout, wool felt option will remain available only as long as stocks last. And stock is still huge, and you can still be sure I won't be taking any break anytime soon. Getting back to the leather sweatbands. Previously, I was sourcing ready-made ones. They were good, but a good, thick and large sweatband was really expensive. In addition to that, constant stocks at the suppliers has always been an issue regarding everything hat making related. So what's better than to start sourcing leather myself, which is quite a budget, buy a bunch of leather working tools, and above all a sewing machine and all accessories that would actually sew leather. I will skip mentioning that getting the process right required quite some time and a lot of scrap materials. Starting making my own sweatbands has allowed me to ensure perfect sizing and fit of the hat. Next time, I'll show you how I built these two hats. One is wool felt, the other one is fur felt. Can you spot the difference?